In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate any Notion template with an easy, step-by-step guide. Whether you're aiming to streamline your workflow or just looking to replicate successful setups others have crafted, duplicating templates in Notion is a valuable skill. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access your connected workspace. This is where you manage your wiki, documents, and various projects within Notion. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do that first. Simply open your web browser and head over to Notion's official website. Once you're there, look for the login option, which is usually available right on the landing page. Enter your credentials, and voila, you're inside. Next, navigate to the Notion homepage. This is your central hub for organizing and accessing all your content. From this point, you'll want to direct your attention towards the templates. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Templates. Click on that, and it will take you to a plethora of options. Now, with templates open, you're faced with your next task. Selecting the one you want to duplicate. Scroll through the various selections available. Notion provides a variety of ready-made templates tailored for different needs, from task trackers to comprehensive planners. Once you've found the template that fits your requirements, it's time to proceed. After picking your desired template, click on the Add button. This action essentially integrates the template into your personal workspace, making it ready for immediate use. But here's the pivotal part. Once the template has been added, it won't automatically duplicate. It simply becomes part of your template library. To proceed with duplication, locate the newly added template and give it a click to open. This is where you'll make it your own. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a three-dot icon. This isn't just a random interface design. It's a gateway to additional options. Click on this three-dot icon, which browses a drop-down menu of actions you can take. Within this menu is the duplicate option. Exactly what we're aiming for. Click it, and just like that, the template is fully duplicated and available for customization in your workspace. This process ensures that you have a replica of the layout, structure, and any dummy data included, ready for your personal adaptation. Remember, the flexibility of Notion means you can now tweak every aspect of your duplicated template to suit your individual or team needs. That's all there is to it. You've successfully duplicated a Notion template, saving you time and possibly giving you a leg up in your productivity game. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most of your digital workspace in Notion.